Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhed vlog, and for today's video, I will show you how to do this bunny coaster crochet. This is great decoration for this coming Easter Sunday. Here are the materials that I use: medium-sized acrylic yarn, 5mm hook, scissors, and yarn needle. Without further ado, let's begin. First step is to make a magic ring. Next, chain 2. This will serve as your first double crochet. Make 12 double crochet inside the magic ring. Close the magic ring and make a slip stitch. To begin with round 2, chain 2. And then make 2 double crochet on every stitch until you finish the round. Next, make a slip stitch. On the next round, chain 2. On the first stitch, make 1 double crochet. And then, on the second stitch, make 2 double crochet. Repeat the pattern alternate until you completed the round. Then, to close the round, make a slip stitch. To begin with round 4, chain 2. On the first stitch, make 1 double crochet. On the second stitch, make 1 double crochet. And on the third stitch, make 2 double crochet. Repeat the pattern alternate until you completed the round. To close round 4, make a slip stitch. Now we're going to do the head. First, make a chain of 2. Next, make 2 double crochet on the next stitch. Make 2 treble crochet on the next 2 stitch. On the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. And now we're going to do the ears. First, make a chain of 9. Next, make a slip stitch on the second chain from the hook. Then, make 1/2 double crochet on the next chain. Next, make 1 double crochet on the next chain. Next, make 1 treble crochet on the next 3 chains. On the next chain, make 1/2 double crochet. Insert the hook on the last chain. Then insert the hook on top stitch and 1 side stitch from the last double crochet from the head, and make a slip stitch. We do this technique to prevent a gap between the ears and the head. Now let's proceed on the second ear. Chain 9. Make a slip stitch on the second chain from the hook. On the next chain, make 1/2 double crochet. Make 1 treble crochet on the next 3 chains. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button to notify you if I have a new uploads. Thank you! After that, make 1 double crochet on the next chain. On the last chain, make 1/2 double crochet. And lastly, make a slip stitch on the same stitch from the head. Cut and fasten off the excess yarn. To do the tail, make a slip knot and insert the hook on the 15th stitch from the head. To attach the yarn, insert the hook on the 15th stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull the 2 loops, and then chain 2. Make 4 double crochet on the same stitch. And then make a slip stitch on the same stitch. Cut and weave in all the excess yarn. This is the final outcome of this bunny coaster crochet. I hope you like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next video. Bye!